Your house may be hiding problems you can't even see. But this little camera can reveal clues in seconds. Here are 7 things you should check. Number 7. Missing insulation. A wall can look completely normal while heat is escaping through a poorly insulated area. That can mean higher heating and cooling bills. Number 6. Hidden air leaks. A thermal camera can make drafts around windows and doors much easier to spot. Seal these areas, and you may cut wasted heating and cooling.
Number 5. Electrical hotspots. An unusually hot breaker or connection can stand out before the problem becomes obvious. That's a warning sign worth investigating safely. Number 4. Hidden moisture. Moisture can change surface temperatures and help reveal where a hidden leak may be. It won't see through the wall, but it can give you a valuable clue.
Number 3. HVAC problems. Compare your vents, and a weak temperature difference can reveal a room that isn't heating or cooling properly. That can point you toward an airflow or duct problem.
Number 2. A bad refrigerator seal. A leaking gasket can let cold air escape and force your refrigerator to work harder. Finding it early could save energy and protect your food.
Number 1. Your car. Compare wheel temperatures, and one unusually hot brake can reveal a problem. That could point to a sticking brake or another issue worth checking. This is where thermal cameras get really cool. Coffee, pipes, engines, electronics, even fresh paw prints leave a heat signature. Once you can see heat, ordinary things suddenly look incredible.
Sometimes seeing what others can't is the first step toward making things better.